Anna, move back a little bit. You sit very close to me. It's really hard for me to feed you. Move back, Anna, move back. Nah, move back, nah. Yeah, good girl. Listen, Anna. Because you are the queen. You are the queen of the troop, so you have to listen. You move back, Anna, move back, Anna, move back. Yes. Amelia. Yeah, I feed you, Anna. You are the best. Don't worry. Wow. Amina, stacking up. Amina, stacking up. Yeah, come here, baby. Baby, yeah, okay. Let me touch you. Amelia, wow. Amelia is eat empty and then come back to PaPa to get more lotus seed. Today, normally she's scared, the truth. But this morning she come too close to me because she's short. I can protect or prevent her. Wow. Yeah. Amelia. Amelia, sit down. No move. Why you move? Why you move very quick? Mina. 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 Amelia, share to your younger sister. Share to younger sister, Amina. Okay, good girl. Hey, Rene. Be good auntie. Good. Yes. Nah, yeah, good. Look, Amelia try to open lotus seed to eat. Amelia open very slow. Nina? Anna? Nah, Anna, are you pregnant? Why your belly is very big? Nah, are you pregnant again? Let me tie your belly. You see, my trouser very dusty by your finger, by your hand. You touch me, but that is okay. I will clean my trouser. Even those painting by you, no worry. Look, your belly is very big, Anna. Your belly is very big. I short. You are starting. You are getting pregnant. 1 month or something like this. But I'm not sure. Because you at night time you never sleep. You always yawn when sitting in front of me. Amina. Amina. Woo! Chui, chui, chui. Let me tie you. Anna, let me tie you. Anna doesn't me to touch her. That is good, Anna. Oh, Anna, morning sick. Anna getting morning sick. Amina running to Papa again. Yeah, you are very smart, Amina. You are very smart. You are very smart girl. Amina try to open a lot of seed. Mina, lotus seed is good fruit because this natural. Amelia, no, Rene, Rene, go away. Rene, go away. Yeah, Anna, why, Anna, why? Good, second, yeah, good. Good. Where's her? Down, stucking. Sitting on my, sit here. Sit here. Good girl, Amina. Wow, so beautiful. Amelia. Nah, come back. Mina. Move back, Anna, move back. Yes. Move back, no close to me, Anna. Why I tell you many times. No, sit close to me. Amina. Amina. Mina, come on. Yes. Yeah, sit here. No one bother you. Sit here. You need to sit here. Nah, for Amina. Yeah. Mina, let me open for you, okay? Anna, many time. Tony. Sit. No move. No move. Yeah. No move. close to me. Mina, Mina. Amelia, when she ate tree and she come back to PaPa. Yeah, you look, Amelia running to PaPa to get more food. Normally she get less by my feeding because of she scare everyone in group. Yeah, Amelia, good girl. Yeah, okay, I love you, Amelia. Release my finger. I bring it for you more. Okay. Okay, go back to the tree. Go back. Amelia, go back. Oh, you don't want to go back. Yeah, good girl. Very smart. You see, lot of mosquito by me. You see? In my hands, a lot of flood. During mosquito beat me. Because I love you and also bring your food for you. Woo! Nah? Later on, I feed baby. No take food from baby. Okay, Anna? Move back. I tell you many times, Anna. Sit down. Yes. Rene. Yes. Sit quietly, Anna. Okay.